Hey, welcome everybody to Sips and Drips. It's good to be back. We've got our first in our official series of sips, as in sips and drips. Get it? So, there's a lot of different drinks we're going to try, and today we're going to try a refreshing basil seed drink. Now, you're going to find that most of these drinks that you have never heard of, but that many other cultures have them. I mean, basil seeds are used in drinks all over the world. Now, I bought one at the local grocery store, but you can make it yourself. It's not hard, and it has a lot of great qualities to it. So I'm going to show you this. And before I tell you what it makes me think of when I first saw it, I want you to look at the drink and see what it makes you think of. So here we go. See that? See that? What does that look like? See, I thought it kind of looked like baby tadpoles. And so some people have an initial gut reaction to something like, I don't know about that. Like, I don't want to drink tadpoles. But all it is basil seeds. Now we're going to have a sip. Now that actually has white grape juice in it. So it's really sweet. And it does have like a gelatinous, when it goes down, it's kind of like if you've ever had tapioca bubbles in a bubble tea, or basically like little bitty pieces of jello, but it's really refreshing. So I bet a lot of you have not had this, but if you have had it, tell us in the comments where you had it. Is it something you drank growing up, something you've had in the grocery store? Is it part of your culture? So for example, in Afghanistan, it gets really, really hot in the summer, and for a refreshing drink, because there's no alcohol, as generally, because it's a Muslim country, they have these refreshing drinks called Sharbat. And part of these drinks, there'll be fruit, or they'll put basil seeds in them. So I'm actually going to put a recipe in the notes on this recipe from Afghanistan. I encourage you to try it. Basil seeds are super easy to get a hold of. Sugar, maybe a little thing of rose water if you want to make it real legit, and you will have a really refreshing drink that is something different than a soda or lemonade. But I promise you, if you give it a try, you're really going to like it. It's super refreshing. And like I said, for people that work in the vineyards or do agriculture anywhere in Afghanistan, this is a huge staple. They have some form of basil seed drinks in many other countries, in the Middle East, in Iran, in many Asian countries, Thailand, I know for sure. We're going to list different basil seed based drinks that you can try. There's recipes all over the internet. So I really encourage you to give the basil seed drink a try. Again, you can make it on your own. You can get in a lot of grocery stores. But there's so many drinks to try that don't have alcohol in them, that are not soda, that why not give it a try? You get something new. So please like, subscribe, and more importantly, comment, because part of this discussion about new things to drink, sneakers, is to encourage a dialogue. Maybe you know a lot about drinks like this. It would be helpful for you to comment for readers. Maybe you don't know anything at all and you're a little intimidated. Well, if they see other people talking about it, they may be more likely to try it. And with the internet, you can get so much. Now, drinks shipping on the internet can be very expensive, and that's hard to do. So I would really encourage you, if you don't have a grocery store that carries this type of drink pre-made, to make it yourself. You're sitting around. If you don't have anything to do on the weekend, it's fun to do with yourself, with kids. It's a drink kids can drink. They think it's cool. I mean, who doesn't want a drink that kind of looks like tadpoles, but that's tasty? So make it a project with your family, with your friends. Do it for yourself, because you deserve it. So until we see you next time, sip and drip. Peace.